Apple glasses in 2025, lighter than Vision Pro, packed with AR and Siri. These could be your new daily specs. Rumors are flying and Apple's ready to take on Meta. Want the scoop? Let's dive in. Hey tech fam, welcome to GadInsider. Apple's rumored smart glasses are stealing the spotlight. Think Vision Pro's little sibling for everyday vibes. Today, we're unpacking the hype. Let's go. Apple glasses might hit in 2025, lighter than the 600-gram Vision Pro. Think 50 to 70 grams Ray-Ban style. No bulky headset here, just sleek frames with AR overlays for text, maps, maybe FaceTime holograms. Siri's baked in. Voice commands, no fumbling. X leaks hint at micro LED displays in a custom chip, borrowing from Apple Watch Smarts. It's not confirmed, but the vibe is real. Why is this hot? Meta's Ray-Ban collab for $299. Audio AI set the bar, but Apple could leapfrog it. Lighter than Vision Pro's $3,499 beast, these glasses aim for you, not VR nerds. Imagine AR directions on your commute or Siri reading your notifications, all under $800 per leaks. Ex-users say it's Apple's shot at wearable domination. Less invasive, more stylish. Could this outshine Meta's play? No official nod yet. Apple is tight-lipped. WWDC 2025 might tease it with a late-year drop if stars align. The challenges: battery life, maybe 8 hours, and AR polish. But if anyone can nail sleek tech, it's Apple. Your next upgrade? Are you hyped? Apple glasses or bust? Drop your take in the comments.